Welcome to Grade 12 Language and Literature. Today, we are diving into a powerful form of expression, analyzing and writing an autobiography. This session will guide you through the art of telling your own story. By the end of today's lesson, you will not only understand how to write an autobiography, but also how to analyze one in depth. Every human being has a unique life story, and today we'll learn how to capture yours. Good morning, everyone. Today we study one of the most personal forms of writing, the autobiography. No two people have experienced exactly the same childhood, education, or challenges. This uniqueness is what makes every autobiography a distinct journey. An autobiography is much more than a list of events. It's the story of a person's life, told by that person, sharing emotions and lessons learned. To understand it, let's look at the roots. The word comes from three Greek words: auto meaning self, bio meaning life, and graphy meaning writing. Therefore, an autobiography literally means writing about one's own life. In this genre, the author and the main character are the same person, making the narrative deeply personal and grounded in truth. You might ask, why is an autobiography considered non-fiction? It's because it's based on real facts and true life experiences rather than imaginary stories. It includes the foundational elements of a journey: family background, education, successes, and failures. These real-world details help readers connect with the writer's authentic path through life. Many think only famous people write autobiographies, but everyone has experiences worth sharing. We write to preserve our history, to inspire those who follow us, and to reflect on what life has taught us. It's about leaving a legacy that goes beyond names and dates, capturing the essence of who we are. Consider Nelson Mandela's Long Walk to Freedom or The Diary of Anne Frank. Mandela wrote to explain a struggle for justice, while Anne Frank documented the internal and external world of a young girl during a global crisis. These works are invaluable because they allow us to see the world through another's eyes and learn directly from their resilience. A good autobiography must be truthful. Readers trust honest writing. It's about admitting both strengths and weaknesses. For example, instead of saying everything was perfect, a writer might say, although my family struggled financially, my parents encouraged my education. This honesty is what makes the narrative believable and relatable. Every great autobiography has a central theme or purpose. It might be how education changes lives, how family shapes character, or how perseverance leads to success. Every event you include should support this main idea, giving the reader a clear takeaway from your life's narrative. Structure is key. Most follow a chronological order, from birth through childhood to adulthood, but simply listing events isn't enough. You must include reflection. Ask yourself, what did I learn? How did this event change me? Reflection is what gives meaning to the facts of your life. Don't just say you were happy. Show it. Use specific emotions to make your writing vivid. Instead of, I was happy, you might write, I smiled with excitement because years of hard work had finally paid off. These details invite the reader to feel what you felt, making the story engaging and alive. Now let's talk about analysis. When reading an autobiography, look for the who, why, and where. Who is the author? Why did they write this? What is the central message? And where did these events happen? The setting often influences the writer's experiences and shapes the entire story. Identify the major life events: graduation, marriage, or even moving to a new place. Especially look for challenges. Challenges are often the turning points in a narrative. How the author responds to obstacles reveals their character traits like courage, determination, and resilience. No one travels through life alone. Look for the supporting characters, the parents, teachers, or friends who influence the writer, and finally, What were the lessons learned? Every autobiography teaches something, whether it's to never lose hope or to believe in oneself. These lessons give the story its ultimate meaning. Are you ready to write your own? Let's break it down into 9 essential steps. Writing about yourself can be daunting, but following this framework will help you organize your thoughts and craft a compelling narrative that reflects your true journey. Step 1. Read others to understand style. Step 2. Choose a main theme like My Journey Through Education. Step 3. Identify your challenges. These create interest and show your personal growth over time. Start with these to build a solid foundation for your story. Step 4. Expand on events. Describe the what, where, and why. Step 5. Use concrete details. Instead of I was frightened, say my hands trembled. Step 6. Add supporting characters and events that influenced you. This adds depth and context to your personal narrative. Step 7. Organize logically and chronologically. Step 8. Edit. Check your spelling, punctuation, and grammar. Revision is where the writing truly improves. And step 9. Prepare your final draft with a clear introduction, body, and conclusion. Pride in your final work reflects its importance. Today, we've learned that an autobiography is much more than writing about ourselves. It's about combining facts, emotions, and life lessons into a story that shapes your identity. Your story is unique, and every experience has contributed to who you are today. Write honestly, reflect thoughtfully, and leave a lasting impression on your readers. Let's recap. Remember to focus on truth, purpose, and reflection. Whether joyful or difficult, your experiences are the building blocks of a great narrative. Combine these elements to create an autobiography that informs and inspires. I look forward to reading your unique stories. In our next session, we'll take these skills to the next level with masterclass storyboarding. Until then, keep writing and keep reflecting on your journey. See you next time.